All right, so special thanks to this company for reaching out to me and sending me their electric screwdriver. Now, all of this is in Chinese, sadly, so I can't read you any of it. This part might be pretty universal: Phillips head, flat head, star bit, etc. But I can't read anything on this. So they wanted me to make an unboxing, so that's what we're gonna do. Let's get into, there we go. And really, I think this would come in handy for anybody who uses a screwdriver a lot, especially like an IT person or something like that. So right on top seems to be a nice USB Type-C charging cable to charge up the screwdriver. And then, here's the rest. There we go. Nothing else down in the box. And is this even got an English side? No. Let's look at the actual screwdriver now. Enjoy work. So more stuff in Chinese, so I can't read any of it. Let's break this off. Whoa. Wow. Dang, very nice. I love, hear that click? It's in there. Then you got access to everything. Oh, and these are magnetic? Hold on, sorry, I just, look at that. They literally pop into place. Wow. This is quite an amazing little screwdriver. So it looks like 2 speeds, that's faster, and that's lower. And then left and right. Where's the, okay, so the USB-C port's on the bottom to charge it, and it looks like these just kind of fit right into there. So that's 2 in reverse, left, right, so lefty loosey, righty tighty. And then if we go over to this one, this is 1. It's a little slower. So yeah, a little slower. And then the dot right there is just off. It doesn't do anything there. Very, very nice. I love the design of this. And yeah, with these long heads, it'd be very easy for working on a computer or working on anything with a lot of these little small screws. And you know, just makes it very easy to lefty loosey and righty tighty. So, and then that's just all magnetic. Like, that's pretty nice. Well, all right, that essentially should do it for this electric screwdriver unboxing. Very, very nice product. I think it's something very cool, and being rechargeable, you ain't gotta worry about batteries. Just plug it up and you're good to go. So very cool, like this.